Over the past few years, the Australian government has taken a hard look at its immigration policies. They're aiming to modernise the system, making it more efficient, fair, and aligned with the country's long-term economic and social goals. These changes are the combination of extensive consultations with industry experts, migration professionals, and community leaders. The goal is to address current challenges, like processing delays, skills mismatches, and integration issues, while ensuring that Australia remains a magnet for global talent. Let's start by discussing one of the most significant changes. 1. Australia's skilled visas. Australia's skilled visa programs have long been a cornerstone of the nation's strategy to attract high-caliber professionals. This year, Australia will have its federal election, and because the federal government issues visas and has immigration authority, federal elections are significant. In December 2023, the current Labour government unveiled the migration strategy, which contains several proposals. A few modifications, such as adjustments to the points for the 189, 190, and 491 visas, are still pending. In April 2024, the discussion paper on the point test was reviewed, and a consultation procedure about its reform was initiated. You may anticipate that these improvements will continue if the Labour Party wins. 2. Temporary work visas. Next, let's talk about temporary work visas, a category that has come under close scrutiny recently. Temporary work visas are vital for businesses that need specialized skills to drive innovation and fill short-term labor gaps. However, there's been growing concern that these visas might inadvertently impact the local workforce. In response, the government is tightening the criteria for temporary work visas in sectors where there is already a strong pool of local talent. Also, 456 jobs on the recently released Core Skills Occupation List are eligible for the 186 Direct Entry Visa, which provides a direct route to permanent residence. Cooks and enrolled nurses are among the many typical jobs that can now apply directly for Australian permanent residents. This is because you can apply for permanent residency without having to hold a 482 visa for 2 years thanks to the 186 Straight Entry Visa, which provides a straight route to PR. The following requirements must be met in order to apply for the 186 Direct Entry Visa. 3 years or more of full-time work experience, a favorable evaluation of skills, and at least proficient in English. 3. Student visas. Another area undergoing important changes is the student visa program. Australia has a reputation for its world-class education system and diverse cultural environment, making it a top destination for international students. With the rising number of applications, the government is implementing stricter financial verification processes and enhanced monitoring of academic progress. These measures are designed to ensure that students come to Australia with genuine academic intentions and sufficient financial support. If you're planning to study in Australia, it's crucial to maintain thorough records of your finances and be ready to comply with additional checks. This extra layer of scrutiny may seem challenging, but it's intended to create a fairer and more sustainable system for everyone involved. 4. Family visas. Family visas are also seeing noteworthy modifications. The Australia government is striving to balance the importance of family reunification with its broader immigration objectives, and as a result, the criteria for partner and parent visas are becoming more stringent. Applicants might now be required to provide more comprehensive evidence of relationship genuineness, as well as meet enhanced health and character requirements. If you're considering applying for a family visa, it would be wise to begin gathering detailed documentation now. While the extra requirements might extend the processing time, the long-term goal is to ensure that new arrivals are well prepared for life in Australia, contributing to both social and economic stability. Why are these changes happening now? At the core of these updates is the Australian government's commitment to ensuring that its immigration system serves the national interest. With a rapidly evolving global economy and increasing competition for top talent, Australia must continually refine its policies. The new visa rules are intended to strike a better balance between attracting necessary skills and ensuring that immigrants are fully equipped to integrate into the community. By emphasizing cultural adaptability, economic contribution, and genuine intent, the government aims to create a more cohesive and forward-looking immigration framework. It's important to view these updates as an opportunity rather than an obstacle. The adjustments are designed to make the application process more transparent and to encourage applicants to be as well prepared as possible. Think of it as a way to ensure that only those who are truly ready to embrace the Australian lifestyle and contribute to the community are given the chance to do so. In the long run, this benefits everyone, both the immigrants and the local population. One question that many of you have is, will these changes make it harder to get a visa? The answer isn't entirely straightforward, and while the new criteria are undoubtedly more rigorous, they are also clearer. For applicants who have taken the time to prepare and meet the updated benchmarks, the process shouldn't be more difficult. It will simply require a higher level of readiness. In essence, the new rules are a filter designed to ensure that the individuals granted visas are those who can truly succeed and contribute in Australia. Visa processing times update. Another common concern revolves around processing times, since with any major policy change, there's often an adjustment period. During the initial phase of implementation, you might notice some fluctuations in processing times as government departments adapt to the new system. However, the long-term goal is to streamline the process by reducing backlogs and making the assessment more efficient. For now, it's a good idea to check official resources regularly and factor in some extra time when planning your application. The revised temporary work visa criteria also bring up questions about protecting the local workforce. The government has made it clear that these changes are designed to ensure that local employment is not compromised. Companies will be required to provide detailed evidence showing that hiring a temporary visa holder fills a genuine skills gap rather than simply replacing local talent. This should help maintain a healthy balance between international expertise and local employment opportunities. Next step for applicants. For many, the key to navigating these changes lies in proactive planning. And if you're in the early stages of your application, now is the time to review your documentation and align it with the upcoming requirements. For those who are already in the process, consider consulting with a migration expert who can help you understand how the new rules might impact your case. Staying informed and prepared is your best strategy for a smooth transition, and it's also worth noting that these changes are part of a global trend. Whether you're applying as a skilled worker, a student, or a family member, the key to success will be thorough preparation and a clear demonstration of your commitment to life in Australia. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of the upcoming changes and what they mean for your immigration journey. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found the information helpful, subscribe to the channel for more updates on immigration policies, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying informed and prepared is the key to a successful transition.